My name is Eric Young. I am the program director at Sweetbriar Nature Center. Sweetbriar is located on a 55-acre nature preserve in Smithtown. It's one of the jewels of Suffolk County. We probably have over 10,000 children visiting this nature center to see some of the wonderful things we have here. We have over 50 animals, many who have been rehabilitated. Our job is to get as many people as possible to start caring more about the natural world and about the wildlife that they share Long Island with. And on top of that, we take care of injured, sick, and baby animals. We are a wildlife rehabilitation center, and we want the public to know we're here so if they find wildlife that's injured, they will call us. And it is our hope that if they come here, we can take care of that wildlife and release it into the wild. Those that we can fix up and survive but can't be released, we keep them and we use them for education, which is our main mission next to wildlife rehabilitation. And everybody comes here to volunteer for a different reason, but I think in the end it's the same thing. They love Sweetbriar and they love what we do, and they feel like they're making a difference.